Unboxing Miami fruit order. So excited. So I ordered an extra large box, but I think this is actually their large. So it comes with compostable. It does get a little kind of all over the place, so you gotta watch that, but you can put this stuff right into your compost, which is super cool. And then I will show you without spilling it all over what the box looks like. Boom. I see 2 hidden rose apples, dragon fruit. Okay, let's take out everything. We've got chocolate sapote. Let's not cover my face as I'm taking everything out. All right, we've got blood orange. Hopefully that focuses better because I am not re-recording this. We've got the star apple. Ooh, I have not had one of these. I think they're the pink lemons. Let's see if I know everything that's in this box. Who knows, right? I think that's a Namwa banana. We've got a little guava. That got kind of squished. I've tried several different fruit, I don't know about several, a few different fruit delivery companies. These are golden berries or ground cherries. I've bought these before in the store and they weren't good, but Miami Fruits is quite good. Another blood orange. We've got kumquats. I think there's a few of those. That's actually like the sap that comes out of the Choc Sapote, which I think the chiclets, the gum, is made from that. Fun tip. And did you know that juicy fruit gum, the flavor is actually from jackfruit? Hidden rose apple. I don't know. I don't love apples in general, so can't say that I love the hidden rose apple. It definitely has a unique flavor though. We've got key limes and the kumquats. Kumquats are super tangy. You eat the whole thing on the rind, and I'm gonna actually put this down. And then they could be sweet to super tangy on the inside as well. So we've got 4 kumquats. Oh, these are small Choc Sapote. So we've got 3 of those. And then we've got yellow dragon fruit. When it's green like that, you definitely have to wait. Sometimes they don't, well, like any fruit, sometimes they don't all ripen properly. Tree tomato or tamarillo, I believe. I've been eating tropical fruits for a lot of my life, and some of these I didn't start eating until I lived in the Tampa Bay, Florida area, but I got to, eat so much different variety of tropical fruits. Another hidden rose apple. Everything's looking pretty good so far, and then there's basically a second layer, and I will show you the second layer. I have not actually unboxed this, so this is like a legit unboxing, y'all. Oh, more kumquats. That's interesting. Interesting. Okay, one of my favorites. We had these in Florida, and they weren't that great, but the egg fruit or canistel, this feels like it might be ready tomorrow. One of the ones that I had, isn't it gorgeous? In the last order, tasted like vanilla custard cake. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? They are really dry, so you can't eat like too much of it too quickly because I found myself kind of hacking. And then they do have some kind of a gummy residue toward the skin. So like if you just start like grubbing on it, beware. So more kumquats. I think a lot of this is grown in Florida, although not everything comes from Florida. Passion fruit. Passion fruit, you can find it yellow, purplish, different colors. Okay, so wow, those are huge bananas. I don't know what kind of bananas those are. Another passion fruit and another chocolate sapote. The last couple boxes have had cacao, egg fruit, a lot of the similar stuff. And right now it's the middle of March. I also have a mystery box that's coming, which I thought was going to be here today, but it did not arrive yet. So let me try to get everything in the shot here. So again, I think, oh, I'm covering, and that's not going to be edited because, Why do I need to do, oh, wow, that is super blurry. Okay, never mind on that. Failed attempt, but you know, we try. So I think out of everything, I'm most excited about this, which is going to be ready. The chocolate or black sapote that it's also called. And I love guavas. I wish there was more guavas. Guavas are like one of my favorite things. Um, True fact, I was born in China, southern China, and we used to have guava trees at the house that we lived at. And my mom was telling me how like it was just like so fruitful and it just would like eat tons of guava. So anyways, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the unpacking. Bye.